Hello everyone, welcome to day 2 of our 30 days English speaking challenge. Today we will learn daily routine sentence in English. So repeat after me and practice loudly. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I make my bed. I make my bed. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a bath. I take a bath. I have a breakfast. I have a breakfast. Breakfast, not breakfast. Breakfast. I read the newspaper. I read the newspaper. I go to work. I go to work. I eat lunch. I eat lunch. I take some rest. I take some rest. I talk to my friends. I talk to my friends. I use my phone. I use my phone. I practice English every day. I practice English every day. I go for a walk in evening. I go for a walk in the evening. I watch TV. I watch TV. I spend time with my family. I spend time with my family. I eat dinner. I eat dinner. I get ready for bed. I get ready for bed. I go to sleep early. I go to sleep early. I set my alarm for tomorrow. I set my alarm for tomorrow. I clean my room. I clean my room. I listen to music. I listen to music. I check my messages. I check my messages. I help my family members. I help my family members. I drink water regularly. I drink water regularly. I exercise in the morning. I exercise in the morning. I study at night. I study at night. I sleep peacefully. I sleep peacefully. Practice these sentences every day. The more you speak, the more confident you become. See you in day 3. Okay, bye bye.